In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Now, when we talk about deleting accounts in QuickBooks Online, what we actually mean is making them inactive. Why, you might ask? Because QuickBooks Online doesn't allow you to delete accounts permanently from your chart of accounts. However, making them inactive essentially accomplishes the same result without affecting your historical data. Let me guide you through this simple process. First, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're logged in, the first thing you need to do is locate the gear icon. You'll find this icon situated conveniently in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking on this gear icon will open up a drop-down menu that houses many essential features and options you'll frequently use within QuickBooks. For our purpose today, you'll want to look for the option labeled Chart of Accounts and select it. When you're in the Chart of Accounts section, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your accounts. This could include everything from bank accounts to expense accounts. What you're essentially doing here is reviewing to identify the account that you no longer wish to keep active. As you locate the account of interest, pay attention to the caret icon that sits next to each account listing. This tiny but mighty icon will open up further options related to that specific account. Once you click on the caret icon, you'll see a list of actions you can perform. From this list, you need to find and click Make Inactive. It's crucial to note here that making an account inactive won't delete any of the historical data associated with it. Instead, it simply removes the account from your active list, thereby cleaning up your dashboard effectively without the risk of losing any data that could still be useful for your records or auditing purposes. And there you have it. Once you've clicked Make Inactive, the account will no longer appear in your active accounts list, achieving the deletion without eliminating any critical historical records. As a final tip, remember that you can always reactivate an account if the need arises in the future. To do this, go back to your chart of accounts and change the filter settings to show inactive accounts. Find the account you wish to bring back and just click on the Make Active button to restore it to your active list. This flexibility is one of QuickBooks Online's greatest strengths, giving you control while maintaining the integrity of your financial records. That's it for today's lesson on managing the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. By keeping your accounts organized and knowing how to manage them effectively, you ensure your financial data remains clear, concise, and readily usable whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!